in Kuta area. The real station at the moment in Kuta area. Now I start from Beach Walk. You see at the front? That's the Beach Walk. This is the main gate to go to Beach Walk Mall. And Beach Walk Mall is the biggest beach walk mall in Kuta Bali. Okay? Now we should get around first before we going in to the beach walk. Yeah, today it looks so busy. I mean, like the second day of January going to Kuta Beach. Okay, this looks so busy, isn't it? Okay. Yeah. Okay, we start from here our trip today. Yeah, it is looks so busy. So many people around here today. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Okay, as they clear at the front beach walk, there is some cafe and also look very busy today. There's a lot of people enjoy their drink before the sunset down. Yeah. Okay, we keep walk around until to the Kuta Beach. Okay guys, I'm gonna say sorry because my camera not stabilizer, so the quality of the camera is not really good today. You see there? There's lots of people today, isn't it? Okay, now I will walk around until the main gate to the Kuta Beach. And also, at the end of this video, I will show you how the station at the moment in Kuta Beach. Is people there? Yeah, it looks busy today. I'm really happy to see that. And if you see the traffic today, it's really big traffic. The traffic is so heavy today. There's so many people. We hope together Bali will be getting better and better. And this year, early this year, will be a lot of people, international tourism come to Bali. So Bali will get to normal again as before. Yeah, it's not so busy. So at the front me, right side, there is the Kuta Beach. And also I will explore how the station at the moment, Kuta Beach today, at the end of this video. Okay, you can see from the left side right here, there's a lot of people waiting for a taxi. It's like a pick-up point for Grab taxi. So many people around here. That's really good. Yeah, this is the Grab line, waiting for the pick-up point for Grab taxi. You see inside there? Yeah, there's so many people in mall today. That's really good. Okay, if you go to the Beach Walk Mall, you have to scan your barcode. We call Peduli Lindungi. Yeah, you have to scan your barcode here. It's just like to make sure you are already in vaccine. Yeah. They're actually there? Yeah. So they have to scan the barcode of Peduli Lindungi before they go into the Beach Walk Mall. Yeah. Nah. Yeah, looks so busy, isn't it? Oh, this is a pick-up point. Sorry, this is the line for a taxi. Halo Putra 29, selamat sore. Seperti saya bilang, karena tidak ada ikan lewat, ya kita harus tetap semangat. Okay, we continue driving in the main street of Kuta Bali. Yeah. You see, there's a lot of cars. They just been finished shopping in Beach Walk Mall. This is the way out also to go from Beach Walk Mall. Okay, we keep walking. And as I told you at the end of this video, I will show you how the station at the moment in Kuta Beach. Yeah. It's look quite busy, isn't it? There's a lot of people today. That's really good. Yeah. If I turn left at the front, that is the way to go to Popis Lantu. You see the station at the moment in Popis Lantu. It's so quiet. I mean, like, this is all the shop open, but there is not so many car drive around this area. It's look very quiet. Okay, you keep walking, and then after this, I will explore how the station at the moment in Kuta Beach, as I told you. Okay, now I will cross the street and then I will see how the station in Kuta Beach. So many people today. That's good. Yeah. So this is Kuta Beach. If you see the weather today, it's not so clear, but yeah, the sunset will be done very soonly. It's quite busy today on the beach. That's really good. Yeah. Some people learn how to do boxing there. Okay. I will keep walking until to the main gate to Kuta Beach. If you see the beach today, it's not so clean because there was been raining a few days ago. As I told you, Bali is still in rainy season, so that's why on the beach there's some rubbish there because of the rain. Yeah, it is quite busy today, and so many people today around here. You see guys on the ocean, there is some people learn how to play surfing. But if you see the wave today, it's quite big. I mean like a bit unfair, but because it's onshore, the wind is strong today. Yeah, there's some people learn how to do surfing. But the weather today is not so clear, so that's why the sunset will be not really good today. Okay, so this is the main gate, Kuta Beach right there. Okay guys, so this is the section at the moment in Kuta area, on Raya Kuta Street and on Kuta Beach. So thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.